You have to have that why are you doing it in your head. So my family first and foremost motivates me, but also the client. We are very, very client focused here. My name is Tommy Lindholm. I'm the owner of Twin Cities CNC. We are a custom manufacturer. Everything we do is custom. Somebody can come to us and configure their cabinetry any which way they want, and we manufacture it.
My name is Andrew Byer, and I'm an owner at Twin Cities CNC. My background is in design engineering, prototyping, and manufacturing.
I started Twin Cities CNC about 4 years ago. I'm a lifelong woodworker. I saw people using this technology, leveraging this technology to complete their woodworking projects. And I bought my first CNC and started using it to automate my labor in the cabinet industry. Very quickly, I realized that that value that I was creating for myself, I could offer to others.
Tommy asked me to join the business so that we could provide custom manufacturing solutions. So if your project falls outside of our cabinetry software, your first stop is by my desk. I do what I do for my wife and my dog Wally. I enjoy challenges which may not have apparent solutions, and I enjoy shaking the customer's hand after delivering on a project.
From a young age, I just love creating things. My passion really comes from making something, turning something into something else, creating value for somebody else.
If you approach us with a custom project, I can work off rough sketches or dimensional prints and help forecast the design for manufacture and assembly challenges to help turn your idea into a reality.
The vision from the beginning was to create value for others. If I help somebody else out, we all get ahead, and we're going to keep that vision going forward. So if you're a contractor, designer, architect,
Or you're bringing an Etsy product to market, give us a call and schedule a tour.